to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Winter weather advisory.
And that's my answer from SGX. I just sent a tweet to them asking if they canceled their weekly test, but no, they relayed it.
What?
I brought the Eton weather radios out here to see if they would catch it. Yeah, ZONEGUARD activated. For once. So did the ZONEGUARD Plus. Yeah. All of them except for Sanjian, for some reason, and the WR120. And the alert works. That one didn't catch it either. I don't know why. Oh well. Other than that, pretty successful weekly test. See you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, the Sanjian MMRD8 didn't activate. Oh well. See you guys in the next video, which will probably be another severe weather alert or something. Yeah. These activated. Bye now.